Hello students, good morning. I am your new maths teacher and my name is Puram teacher. Let me start our new chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. Okay? See, we already learned about numbers in previous standard, right? We learned there up to thousands, but in this chapter we will learn larger numbers like lakhs and crores. We also learnt addition, subtraction, ascending order, descending order. Okay, so same thing we will learn over here, but for the larger numbers. Clear? Okay, so this chapter is very interesting. Okay, so please understand it properly, and if you have any query, you can ask by message. Clear? So let's start the chapter. Okay, chapter number 1. Introduction. Okay, numbers are used to count the objects. It's very simple. We all know that counting numbers, right? See, let I give you one example. If you go to purchase something like vegetables, so there also numbers are required. See, you will pay the money and you will get back it also. So you should know how many rupees you have to give, how many rupees you will get back. So that's what counting numbers. Clear? Okay. We learned addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we will learn same thing here but for the larger numbers, right? Okay, the next topic is comparing numbers. See, comparison means which one is smaller and which one is bigger. So that type of comparison we will do with our numbers. So for that, I'll give you two rules. Rule number 1, the number who has more digits is greater number. Okay, see, let me take one example, 23 and 102. 23 has how many digits? 2 digits, 1 and 2. Now 102 has how many digits? 3 digits, 1, 2 and 3. So number of digits 2, number of digits 3. Which has more number of digits? 102. That's why 102 is greater number than 23. Clear? So that way you can compare the numbers who has more number of digits are greater and who has less number of digits are smaller. But when the problem will arrive, if the number of digits are equal. So in that situation, how to compare the numbers? Let us see. Next rule. If number of digits are same, compare the digits from leftmost position and find the bigger digit. See what is written? Number of digits are same. In our given number, if number of digits are same, then compare the digits from leftmost position. Let's take one example. 4, 5, 3, 6, that is 4536, and another number is 4563. Clear? So here both the numbers have 4 digits. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now which one is greater? So for that we will compare the digits from the leftmost position. Leftmost means 4. From this we will start. Clear? This is the leftmost position of the number. Now first digit of first number is 4, and here also first digit is 4. 4 is equal to 4, so we cannot take any decision who is greater. Then go for the next digit. The next digit is 5 over here, and in this number also next digit is 5. So 5 is equal to 5. Still we cannot compare which number is greater. Clear? Now go for the next digit. Next digit is 3 over here, and in second number it is 6. Okay, now these 3 and 6 are not equal. 3 is smaller than 6. So we can say this number is greater number because 6 is bigger than 3. Hence 4536 is smaller than 4563. Clear? So that way we can compare the numbers. So comparing numbers topic is over. If you have any query, you can ask in your messages. Right? Okay, let I give you one exercise. Find the greatest and the smallest number. See, few numbers are written over here. Okay, sorry, few numbers are written over here. You have to compare them and which number is the greatest one and which number is the smallest one. Only two numbers you have to give, the greatest number and the smallest number. Clear? Okay. Yes, this question you will write in your rough book. What to write in your classwork, that I will tell you. But whatever exercise I am giving here, that you will write in your rough book. Okay? Okay. See, in your textbook also they given you the exercise. See, page number 2. Try this. That is also one good task for you. You can do it in your textbook. Clear? See what you have to do. Few numbers are given and you have to write the greatest number and the smallest number. Okay, one I can explain you and remainings you will do by yourself. See, 1473, that is 1473, 89,423, 100, 5,000 and 310. Now greatest number, let us count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number has 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 5 digits. Here 3 digits. Here 4 digits. And here 3 digits. So which number has the more number of digits? Second number. That is 89,423. That's why this number is the greatest number. Now about smallest number. See which number has the small number of digits? 100 and 300. Both are having 3 digits. But from these two, which one is the smaller? For that, we will compare the digits from the leftmost position. Here 1 and here 3. Definitely 1 is smaller. Right? So 100 is the smallest number out of these 5 given numbers. Clear? So that way you can solve remaining sums. Okay, one more exercise is given. Find the greatest and the smallest number. But what is the what's the difference over here? See, number of digits are equal. And you have to find which number is greater and which number is smaller. So that is also task for you. I will suggest to write these tasks in your classwork. That is not your exercise, but then also try this we will write in our classwork book. Clear? So I am marking over here. See, this you will write in your classwork. Try this you will not write because here space is given. You can write the answer over here. Clear? So try this you will write in your classwork. Okay. Now our next topic. Topic number 1.2.1. How many numbers you can make? See, this topic is very interesting. It's like a game. I'll give you a few digits. 2, 8, 7, 4. How many digits are there? 4. Now your task is, using these 4 digits, you have to make numbers. So many numbers we can form using these 4 digits. Okay? You just try how many numbers you can form. And from that number, which number is the greater one and which number is the smaller one, that you will find. Getting or not? Okay, it's a game and I'll say that you should try this. Right? See, I'll give you one example. 2, 8, 7, 4. Okay, so let I make one number 8 7 2 4. Then after 8 2 7 4. Then after 4 8 7 2. That way so many numbers we can form using these 4 digits. So make the numbers and find out greater and smaller number. Okay, that is a task that you will write in your rough book. These tasks you will do in your rough book. Okay, so now let I explain you what is the next. To get the greatest number, arrange the given digits in the descending order, and to get the smallest number, arrange the given digits in the ascending order. Okay, so it's very simple. Here 2 8 7 4, 4 digits are there. I want to perform the greatest number. Then what should I do? Clear? Arrange these digits in descending order. Descending order means the greatest number to the smallest one. Okay, so 8 will come first, then 7 will come, then 4 will come, and then 2. So 8742, that is descending order downwards. And this number is the greatest number you can form using these 4 digits. See here the condition is no digit should be repeated. That is the condition. Otherwise what will happen? See, if I use 8 8 8 8 4 times, then that will be the greatest number, no? But the condition is one digit only one time. Clear? So 8742 is the greatest number, and how it is possible to find? Arrange the digits in descending order. Now reverse procedure, that will give you the smallest number. Reverse means downwards, descending order. So starting from the smallest digit 2, then 4, then 7, then 8, that will be the smallest number. Getting? So how to find greatest number and smallest number is clear to everyone? Okay. Now see here exercise. Using given digits without repetition. See, this is important. Without repetition of any digit, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. Right? Okay. So 2874. I already explained that over here. Same is written here. Greatest number means descending order. So 8, then 7, then 4, then 2. That will be our greatest number. And reverse 2, then 4, then 7, then 8. That will be our smallest number. 8742, 2478. Okay. Next is 5403. The greatest number. Again descending order. 5, then 4, then 3, and then 0. 5430. Now smallest number. But see, our smallest digit is 0. But in mathematics, if you write 0 before any digit, it has no value. Clear? So we will not write 0 over here, because if I write, see, 30 rupees, and before this 30 if I'll add 4050, it will never change the value of this 30. Okay, it is meaningless to add zeros before the number. Clear? But yes, if I'll add 0 behind this, then the values are changing. See, 30, then 300. If I'll add here 3000, then 30,000, and 3 lakh. Okay, so if I'm adding 0 after the digit, it will change the value of given number. But if I add the 0 before it, it will not change the value. That's why we will start from 3, because the smallest digit except 0 is 3. 3, then we can add 0. 3, 0, 4, 5. Clear? Okay. Now we will see the exercise given in your book. Okay, see this, try this. Question number 1. use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. This you can do by yourself now. Question number 2. Here also 3 digits are given, but see what is the difference? Smallest 4-digit number we have to make using any 1 digit twice. See, it's interesting. 4-digit number you have to make from 3 digits. How it's possible? If we can repeat 1 digit, then only it's possible, no? So any 1 digit we can use twice. For example, 387. Which number is the greatest one? 8. So I will repeat 8 2 times. See, 8, then 8, then 7, then 3. It will be the greatest number. Same way, smallest number you will perform. Clear? So question 2 you can do by yourself now. Question number 3. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4 different digits with conditions as given. See, what is the condition? Digit 7 is always at 1's place. See, 1's place. Digit 7 must be there. And you have to perform greatest and the smallest number. Okay? Using any 4 different digit. Any 4. So digits are not given. You can find by yourself. The condition must be satisfied over here. See, digit 4 is always at 10's place. See, 4 must be at 10's place. Remaining digits you have to put such that you can find a greatest number and a smallest number. Okay, so this exercise you will write in your classwork. Okay, I am marking over here just to tell you that these you will write in your classwork. Total 2 exercises I given here, this one and this one in your classwork. Okay, now our next topic in next video I'll give.